Good morning, students. Well, this is Vikas Upadhyay, your general knowledge teacher. As you know, students, I told you in my previous video about GK, which mainly known as general knowledge. I told you GK is not a small information subject. It is a very big and wide subject. If you're going to read general knowledge, I think there is a lot of information if you go through from a particular topic. Okay, so students, in our previous video we studied about the chapter which is from your GK book in your syllabus was literary masters. Literary masters, I am giving you such kind of knowledge about different awards which given to Indian citizen who contribution his or her contribution in literacy area. Students, I told you about there are different awards: Sahitya Akademi Fellowship, Janpith Award, Booker Prizes, and there is many more prizes which is given in India only for Indian citizens. Students, I am talking about the previous particular person who got the prizes which is belong to the literacy. Students, here is some name I just revised: R.K. Narayan, Jhumpa Lahiri, Vikram Sheth, Arundhati Roy, Amitabh Ghosh, Kiran Desai, and many more. I am taught you many more persons who got the literary prize because they contribute in literacy. Students, in our next chapter, which is on page number 17, is the magical hours, or you can say the magical words. Students, magical words, or you can say words of power. Magical words or words of power are words which have a specific and sometimes unintended, or without intent means to say without think about it anything, so speak up. So magical words and words of power are words have a specific and sometimes unintended effect. Students, they are often nonsense phrases used in fantasy or fiction or by stage prestige. Okay? Frequently such words are present as being of a part of divine academic, or her secret of empowered language. Students, certain comic book heroes use magic words, or there are a lot of people use this word to activate her or his power. Magic words are also used as Easter egg, and sometimes we use in our daily to daily conversation. Okay, so from chapter number the magical hour, from your unit language and literature or language, I don't know, I think literature or language maybe. So here is a chapter magical hour. So students, the first question is, what are live next door? The simple question said about it, who live behind together, here left and right after your house. Obviously we call neighbor. We call neighbor who live next to our house. Second question from this chapter, what our is hard work? If we do hard work in the term of, if you are right now you are a student, so you do hard work in the field of study. So what we called it? If you do hard work, what we called it? In the simple term, we called this is a labor. This is called labor. Okay? This one is second one, this is third one. So after second question, here is another sentence which is used in our daily to daily communication. Okay? Students, next question is, what our has a smell? Smell, S-M-E-L-L. Sometimes there is a good smell, sometimes this is a bad smell, sometimes worst smell. But good smell gives some pleasure to our nose or also our body. Okay, so what our has a smell? This is called odor. This is called odor. O-D-O-U-R. Okay, odor. Next is if you are not familiar with book, you can write it from board. First question answer is neighbor, second answer is labor, third one is order. Now come to the fourth one, which we are talking about today. What hour is funny? What hour is funny? Funny. If you are make someone gives a smile, you just do some activity which count as a funny. So funny is, you can say, humor. Student, if you want to write, if you are not fill your GK notebook, you can fill it from board. I am going to give the answers. You can just pause the video and write the answer in your GK book, also in your notebook. Students, next one is, what our tries are. If you are not successful in terms of any kind of work which we perform today, yesterday and upcoming future. So if you are not going to get success, you just try hard and hard. So what is it called? What is it called? It is called endeavor. E-N-D-E-A-V-O-U-R. Now students, we talk about our next question, which is on 6th number. What hour is savior? What hour is savior? Students, the answer of the particular question is rigor. R-I-G-O-U-R. Rigor. Next, 7th question is, what hour is the gaseous form of water? If you are going to boil water on 100 degrees Celsius, the particular water going evaporate. As all of you know about it, the particular gas going to be evaporate. What it is called? That evaporating in the term of gaseous. So this is called vapor. This is called vapor, or this is called vapor. question is, what hour is brilliant? If you are brilliant, so what it is called? Of course, splendor. It is called splendor. If you are so much brilliant in each or every subject, each and every area, if you're talking about study area, education area, or sports area, or creativity, art area, if you are all the terms are brilliant, we known as, or we called it splendor. What we called it? Splendor. Ninth question from your book is, whatever is intense. Intense, if you want to do something, if your gut feeling say, I just want to do this particular thing in a particular area within a few minutes, we called it ardor. A-R-D-O-U-R. 10th question, what our scrubs clean? What our scrub clean? Scrub. If you go to the parlor or a gents parlor, and if you feel that my skin is not feeling better, then you go to the parlor, gents parlor, who are going to salon, scrub my face. So, students, our 11th question is, what our show partiality? If sometime at your home, mom and dad, if you are children, if you are sisters or brothers, sometimes if you do something naughty or some mistake at your home, mom and dad going to be do partiality, and sometimes they not speak up to you, and they are not loving at a moment, not all time, at a moment, but 1 hour, 2 hours. So that time your mind say that you mom, you partial with me, or you can say sometime if mom divided some particular thing and give more and more to your sister or brother, that time we feel that mom and dad give partiality, do partiality with me and my sister or brother. So the partiality we can say that favor. We say that favor. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12. 12th question is, what our shows conduct? Mean to say that if any person is good, that behavior count as a good guy or good girl or very sincere person. But students, if any person their behavior is not conduct or considered as a good, we can't say that. We can't say that this is particular guy or a girl or any person behavior is good or something. So that shows we can say that their characteristic, their image, so that shows considered as a behavior. Behavior, B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R. Now come to the another question, which is question number 13. What our was used to be worn in battle? Which things we used when we go for a battle? Of course, armor. We know that particular word as armor. Okay. Now, question number 14. What our shows bravery? If you are brave in any particular area, so that braveness count as valor. V-A-L-O-U-R. That braveness count as valor. Question number 15. whatever gives help. If anybody you going to help, that particular help, if you go to help of a poor person or a needy person, or you can say that you want to, or if you feel that particular person want our need, that time what magical words we going to use, that particular word going to use is succor. Students, next question is what hour is hue? What hour is hue? Hue is known as color. Hue is known as color. Next, or second last, or you can say the end of the chapter. Whatever eats everything up. What eats everything up? That particular sentence we use the word devour. We use devour. D-E-V-O-U-R. From this question, students, the chapter of magical hour is ended, and after done this chapter, next video we will meet with marvelous knot. We will meet with next particular chapter, which is known as marvelous earth. So before ending this chapter, the question is, whatever is the taste of a lemon? Of course, sour. The taste of lemon is sour. Everyone knows that. So students, that's all about the chapter number, the magical hour, which comes from your unit second. Unit second, not we say that the particular part of the chapter is literature and language. So students, thank you. Have a nice day.